Now that you've decided to actually start your business, firstly, congratulations on finally choosing a business idea, because I know just how hard that is. But I'm glad that you're here, because I'm going to be sharing with you steps that you can take to actually start your own lip gloss business. Okay, now before we move on, do let me know in the comments what actually got you to choose to start a lip gloss business, because that's a unique one. Okay, do you just like makeup? Like, what is it? First thing that you need to do is to decide whether or not you're actually going to be creating your own lip glosses from your house, or you're actually going to get already made lip glosses and resell them under your own brand. That is an option. It's not a bad thing to be reselling. Okay, a lot of big stores already do that. Okay, so it's something that I just want you to think about. Do you have the time to be making your own lip glosses? A lot of times it's much more affordable to actually make your own rather than get already made. So those are certain things that you need to think about. Do you have the finances to get already made lip glosses and sell those as your own? The second thing that you need to do is then figure out who your target audience is. Your target audience is going to be the deciding factor for everything. Okay, this person is going to make up how your packaging for your business actually looks like. This person is going to decide how you're going to actually be marketing your business, basically. So you need to make sure that you actually think about who this person is. Are you selling lip glosses to the makeup girlies? Okay, people who just love makeup. Are you selling lip glosses for the girlies that are in university and just want to look cute for the night out? Or are you selling, you know, just everyday lip glosses? Okay, because we all need that. Okay, you can see my mouth is shining. I just use Vaseline though. My lip gloss finished. But all I'm saying is you need to decide who exactly you are actually selling to, because it's going to help you when it comes to figuring out how exactly you're going to market your business. The reason why I talk about the fact that it's going to help you with marketing your business, look at this example. Okay, so if you're selling to someone who's working in corporate, the way that you're going to be marketing your business is maybe by sharing, get ready with me. Okay, get ready with me to go to work. That's going to be something that you can actually do, because people who are working in corporate can actually then relate. So tell some stories and entertain people while emphasizing on your lip gloss that you are using. Things that you're going to be talking about based on what it is that your audience is actually interested in is going to be vastly different depending on who your target audience actually is. Now, when it comes to figuring out who your target audience is and how to attract them, I do have a video on that, which I will link down below. Please make sure that you actually go and you watch it after this video, okay, because it's going to be very, very helpful with you with then figuring out how to actually go about finding your target audience and actually attracting them onto your social media account. Number 3 is branding and packaging. If you decide to actually sell already made products, you do need to then figure out what your branding is going to be. Whether it's already made or you're selling it yourself, you do need to figure this out. Okay, so you need to come up with your logo, you need to come up with your brand colors, you need to come up with the feel for your brand, because this is going to help people basically pick your products out even if they see other products. When it comes to actually getting the labels for your lip glosses, the logo and so on, you can actually create these on Canva. It's going to be so simple for you to actually then customize it and make it your own. Do take into consideration the font that you're using and all these things, because they will actually help with then creating the feel for your brand. And after all, we have discussed your target audience. Your target audience will have a hand in this, so this is something that you will have to actually think about. Now, if you're getting already made, now you can create this package on, you can create these packaging labels on Canva, and it's very simple and straightforward. You can customize it and make it your own, or else you can get already made packaging. Okay, you just tell them how you actually want it to look and they create the packaging for you. So you can buy the packaging itself even if you are creating your own lip glosses. That's going to be up to you. and your budget. Okay, make sure you do your research and you figure out how much you actually have to start your business. And number 4 of starting your business is then marketing your business. Something I do want to say when it comes to marketing your business, I genuinely believe that you should start marketing your business before you launch your business. It is important that you are already creating, or rather building, an audience on social media so that people who are looking forward to your product. It makes no sense for you to launch your business and no one is expecting anything. No one is looking forward to it. No one knew it was even coming, and then you think you're going to make sales. You're not going to make anything because no one knows about your business. You're starting from scratch on the day that you launch. It makes no sense whatsoever. You should start marketing your business before you launch. And if you want to know exactly how to do that, I literally have a whole laid out plan for you in the video about how to market your business before you launch your business. Literally, like it's right there. Okay, so make sure that you actually go and you check it out. I will have it linked again in the description below, so make sure that you go and you check it out. Now, in terms of the content that you actually create for your business, you do have to think about what is it that people who love lip glosses, who are your target audience, since you've determined who your target audience is, what is it that they actually enjoy watching? Do they love the get ready with me videos? Then start recording get ready with me videos, but then talk about certain things that they would be interested in. You see, like someone who's in university, talk about certain stories or something that happens in university that people can actually relate to it. Or else maybe this girl loves going out, then you're going to be talking about your stories of going out. Obviously, you will not choose a target audience that you cannot relate with in any way, because then you're going to have a very hard time with actually explaining what it is, or rather how it is that your product actually has some type of value. Always choose to start a business that you can somehow relate with, or you see the value within it and you can explain that, because that's a whole other thing. Explaining why your product is valuable, why you even started that business, that's a whole other thing. Okay, and honestly, we just need a whole separate video about, you know, your value proposition and so on. But I know you need to know how to actually, you know, tell people what is it that makes your business different? What is it that people should be looking forward to? Make sure that you actually then use keyword researchers. They're going to be helping you with then figuring out what content people actually want to watch, what is it that they're actually interested in, so that you know what you're going to be talking about. So even if you're doing get ready with me videos, you might actually start talking about universities or talking about going out and things like that that are going to be relatable to your audience. But please make sure that you figure that out, or even go to people that do create content about lip gloss. Do not go to all the small businesses that are creating videos on creating the lip gloss. Do not do that, because the only thing that you're going to do when you create videos about you actually creating the lip gloss is you're going to attract people who are like you, who are starting that lip gloss business, and those are not your target audience. You are not trying to attract people who are trying to start that business, because they don't need you. If you have not realized, they don't need you, because they're starting their own business doing the exact same thing that you're doing. They really don't need you. Okay, so do not do that. Do not make that mistake. Do not talk to other small businesses. Oh my word, there's nothing wrong with you connecting with other small businesses. Honestly, I have no problem with that, but please understand they're not your target audience. That's not the person that you're talking to. The last step is for you to create a launch plan. At least 3 months before you launch your business, you need to come up with a plan. You need to be already creating content on your social media platform that's going to actually build anticipation, get people interested in what it is that you're doing. Then you need to make sure that you actually have an email list that you set up, so people actually then choose to join your email list, maybe because you're going to be sending them exclusive information, or you're going to be sharing with them certain things that they're going to be interested in. Like I said, this has to be based on what your target audience is already interested in, so much so that they're going to be willing to give you their email addresses. You can use ConvertKit in order to set up this email list. Then the next thing is then creating your website. You need to have a website. If you want to actually find out, or rather if you want a website developer, I know one. I can refer you. If you want to get in touch with that website developer, my information is down below. You can email me and we can actually, you know, get that started. Also, another option that you do have is actually then create your own website. You can use website builders like Wix or Shopify depending on your budget. If you have a big budget, you know, you can just use Shopify. If you really do not have, your budget is a little, yeah, it's shaky, then use Wix, because Wix can be free, okay? But they do have a paid plan, okay? You can always choose to then sign up for that. That's not a problem. Once you've created your website, about a few days before you actually launch, like a week or 2 weeks before you launch, you need to then start allowing people that have signed up for your email list to actually pre-order the products. The reason why you want people to pre-order is because on the day that you are launching, you are going to go live and you're going to be packaging those items on your live. This is another way to actually get people to then buy as well, and to prove that other people are buying. That's the best way for you to make sure that you're actually going to make money on your launch day. So please make sure that you actually, you know, get started remarketing your business so that you can actually make sure that you launch your business. Not only launch your business as soon as possible, but you launch and make sales on that launch day. Now, I have a perfect video. Honestly, I've been talking, majority of the things that I was talking about right now, that video just breaks every single thing down. So make sure that you actually go and you watch that video. It's going to be on how to market your business before you launch, okay? Hope these steps are going to help you with actually starting your own business. Make sure that you do not forget to like and subscribe. I have a lot of content that is going to be very helpful for you, and I always get excited each time that, you know, I get a subscriber. So you just make my day, okay? I'm begging. Yes, I am. I'm joking, but I'm not. Anywho, so make sure that you go and you check that video out. It's going to be in the description below or on the end screen if I figure out how to actually get that thing out.